Today we have the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro, which is Xiaomi's latest flagship that they've brought into South Africa. Today we'll be unboxing it. So we have our trusty unboxing plastic tool. And now that the plastic is off, we will take a look inside. So powered by Redmi is on the inside. And inside we have the Redmi Note 11 Pro. So you'll notice that this box is one of the bigger boxes that you'll find in 2022 because it comes with a charger. And this charger is a 67 watt charger. Now why that's significant is because it can charge your device up by 50% in just 15 minutes. Here we have the charging cable, which is USB-C to fit into USB-C port on the phone. And the charging brick itself is USB-A. And before we forget, inside here is some extra value. You have a phone case, a case for the device that you can slip in. It's just a TPU case that will protect the device from bumps and dings. Let's take off that lovely wrapping. There you have it. There is the device. On the back, you'll see that there are 4 cameras. And then on the front, you have the O punch or hole punch display. And let's turn it on. While this is turning on, let's take a look at the camera bump. So the main camera has quite a significant little bump. And then you'll have the other 3 cameras just below it with the flash. And there it is, MIUI 13, which is based on Android 11. And we'll just set it up now and then take a few pictures with it and show you how it performs.